Hey YouTube, so I'm staying shut down today. Today's just been one of those days. Well, this week has really been one of those weeks where it's just like, you know what? I need time off. So, came over here to the TA. This is terrible lighting. Went over to the TA. Took me a real nice shower. And here's actually a video of the shower room. This shower actually had 2 shower heads in it, which was fantastic. And I'm showing you some other things. I don't remember what was all in that video. Anyway, moving on. So here's the reason why I'm saying shut down for today. And again, let's morph to another video. Yeah, look at that bumper. Yeah, just like I said, it's been a long week. It was a snow plow, job. He didn't do a good job. I mean, I can draw it out for you guys if you guys want me to, but the way you got to swoop into that parking lot, they stacked all the snow right in the way, and I got just too close to it, and snow, after it gets to set up, is hard like a rock. And I got just too close. I mean, it busted out the entire bumper. It's made all of plastic. I don't know why you want a bumper made out of plastic like that, that it just disintegrates. Oh well, that's the way it is. So yeah, I woke up this morning, I went upstairs and I was like, look, I'm done for a day or two. See ya. So I'm doing a 34-hour reset. This coming Thursday, I'm hoping to do my mentor class, so I'll have a student. So I'll hopefully bring you guys some good, footage on how to back up and not hit snow pile. But yeah, it is what it is, right? So yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I know I'm gonna get this video uploaded and I'm gonna take a nap.